Hey y'all, this your girl Toni, of course, at Cookies and Ish. I want to say hey to y'all, happy Friday. As you see, I'm in the car driving actually. I'm on my way, I'm on my lunch break, heading to Dollar Tree actually. Trying to find some, I have no idea yet, but some trinkets or some items that I can use to, of course, decorate or provide some type of decoration or cute little look for the fall cookie boxes. So if you have suggestions, put them in the comments, y'all. But like I said, I'm definitely on the way now, driving now. It's not that far from my job. Some of y'all may know I work. Some of y'all may know I don't. I mean, I may not knew that I work, but I'm actually a full-time social worker. So, of course, it's not just me selling cookies and that kind of thing, but I do, of course, work with the population or the public, working with our older adults in the Tucson community. So, providing them resources and services and stuff like that. So your girl does work too. Work full-time, cookies in the part-time, I put it that way. So, but like I said, definitely your girl is doing it. So I'm sure there's others out there who can identify as well with the part-time, I guess side business, home side business. But like I said, y'all, I'm heading to Dollar Tree. So I'm trying to figure out how to, a cute way to, of course, make the fall cookie boxes look a little bit cuter instead of just the brown box and that kind of thing. So I thought maybe like some little leaves or, I don't know. I thought vines, but that's kind of hard to put on a cookie box. It's like some vinage, I guess, or like some of those little viney little plant vines. I guess I put it that way. So like I said, y'all help me out in the comments. I want y'all to help create this thing too. I put it that way. So let me know in the comments, y'all, what y'all suggest, or if you have any suggestions, or if you have something that you think will be cute to you that you would like to receive on your cookie box. So like I said, definitely let me know, y'all. I definitely would love to hear from y'all about this too. So not just this, other stuff too. But like I said, definitely let me know, y'all. And I hope y'all have been doing well today, y'all. Today is Friday. Like I said, I can't wait till the weekend. I'm looking forward to my weekend. I'm sure those who work look forward to the weekend all the time. So like I said, I'm definitely looking forward to my weekend. Not just the weekend itself, yes, but I have a massage set up for Saturday. So I'm going to get a masseuse, as I always say. So like I said, I cannot wait. I love massages. One of the things I truly, truly love. It always relaxes me. So like I said, I cannot wait, y'all. Cannot wait. Let me know in the comments what y'all got planned and what y'all know that's going on this weekend as well. What y'all got planned, if you know of any activities or events that I can get into, or anybody else in the community can get into. Let us know in the comments, y'all. I don't know of anything offhand. Like I said, my masseuse, that's all I know, but I'm not sure about any activities. What is this? Yeah, I don't know of any activities going on. Like I said, y'all may know more than I would because I haven't looked, but I will definitely start looking so I can let some of y'all know some of those activities too. I'm sure some of y'all may want to enjoy some things or go to some things or whichever the case may be. So if you know some, put them in the comments, y'all. I just don't know of any offhand. And I think I take that back. I think I saw somewhere on Instagram that is some kind of vegan. I don't think it was a vegan fest. I don't know the name of it, y'all. Some kind of vegan restaurant week or something was going on with restaurants. But that may have been last weekend. I saw that, but I saw yesterday something about a vegan, some kind of restaurant or some kind of event with vegan food or something. I have no idea. Don't worry about what I said, y'all, because I can't remember what it was, y'all. Like I said, I thought I saw something yesterday, but I could be totally wrong. If I find it, I'll post it. I don't know. I find it, I'll post it in the comments. So I'm like, Lord, yeah, I'm saying all kind of things. I don't know. So my mind is, I'm trying to get focused on going to figure out what I'm going to get for these cookie boxes. So, like, oh my gosh. But like I said, let me know in the comments, y'all have any suggestions. So like I said, I definitely would love to help out. I love you all to help create these types of things with me, not just me doing it on my own. That'd be awesome to have y'all, like I said, you all's input and that kind of thing too. Because I always love input. So I'm a social worker. I love input. So let me know. So, and like I said, definitely driving on down. What is this? Camino Seco. I'm going to, like I said, Dollar Tree. So, oh goodness, y'all. My dashboard says it's 97 degrees, which is good. Of course, it's not 100 or something like it had been. So I hope y'all got some rain yesterday. We got a lot of rain yesterday, y'all. I'm over on the east side where I live too. We got a lot of rain yesterday. So hope y'all got some too. I don't think every side did, but I'm hoping that your area did. Hoping that it did, because I know the rain helps create those beautiful waterfalls, the rain and the snow, those beautiful waterfalls we see when we go hiking on those trails and stuff. So I know I love it, y'all. The only one I've seen, well, it wasn't a waterfall, but because we didn't hike back to the Tonke Verde waterfall, because we had to walk through all this water in order to hike back there, and I said forget it, because the rocks were already slippery and that kind of thing too, and we had no idea how far it was back. But the only other water that I actually saw when I was out walking or hiking was that Sabino Canyon, because it was like I guess a river that overflooded onto like the actual pavement where we were like walking at, that kind of thing. And we of course had to take off our shoes unless we had to. Well, we didn't have to, but I'd rather not be walking out in wet shoes. I figured we just take off our shoes and socks and walk on through the water. It should be all right. But y'all, that water was cold as I don't know what. This was probably this was actually last year, but that water was cold as I don't know what, y'all. It wasn't even summertime yet. It was melted snow, of course, but it was so cold. I'm like, my feet were freezing. Like, I don't know what I would have took then, but whether the wet shoes or the cold feet. Like, geez, I guess either way it would have been cold feet. So, like I said, y'all, it's still beautiful. Still beautiful. Like, y'all, that was just the craziest thing. We actually did that twice on that particular trail. So, like, Lord have mercy. Arizona. Oh, goodness. Our introduction to Sabino Canyon. Like I said, it was nice, though. Beautiful, too. If y'all haven't been, y'all get y'all butts out there and go check it out. It is beautiful. Or walk it if you... We took the tram some of the way up and some of the way down, but we did, of course, walk a lot of it as well. Because they had, like, small little trails, like, off the side and that you can venture into and look into and that kind of thing. And that is always nice, and I love to explore, so... Where my explorers at? Goodness gracious. All right, y'all. I'm actually $2 Tree now. All right, y'all. I don't talk on the phone in the store at all. I don't like that, but that's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I'm trying to get my phone out. Like I said, I'm at Dollar Tree. You can see the little sign up there. So like I said, y'all, your girl's about to go in here, and figure out and find some stuff that I can use for the cookie boxes, so to make them look a little bit more fallish and that kind of thing. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, put those suggestions down in the comments. I definitely take any suggestions or any ideas. Let me know, y'all. So again, this is Toni, Cookies and Ish. I know I talked about a lot of stuff in this video, but that's how I normally do. So like I said, welcome to my world, y'all. So peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. And have a great weekend. Peace out.